always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're lowering the car, all right, the Mustang. We have EIBACH Sportline lowering springs that we're going to install on the car, make it slam, all right, very low. Alright, so over here. Alright guys, so here's how it's coming along. Alright. Alright guys, so we got that one out.
Asa naman kami lagi?
Ayan. Right, moment of truth. Hey, there you go. Yeah, be careful. Cholo, ¿qué piensas ahí entonces?
Tipo un poco calado, me muero.
Tipo,
Si yo hago eso, va por rebote, caigo en la casa, que hago, tío, con el río, ¿qué? Lo enganchaba a la fuente, yo no sé, pero por ahí.
loco.
Loco.
Right, it's coming along. Está metiendo bien. Muchacho le mete. Carrito está tío, vamos a por atrás. Venom Performance, guys. Venom Performance. It's pretty nice, very nice. Mira, las gomas están más suaves. ¿Viste? Estas son las Michelin. Las Michelin.
Yo te lo dije. Las gomas mías son más, no sé qué cosa. Sí, pero las de son Michelin.
Las Michelin son las duras. Son las... Bueno, son las gomas que son para... como para la calle, pero que también son como te dan la mayor resistencia para el grip y todo. Dile un shout out ahí a Lenny para que te conozca.
Sí, yo no me sé el internet de Lenny, lo cambio todos los días.
Lo va a pegar rato. Es un Ernie, King Ernie, o sea, es una etnia.
Es un Ernie, el Ernie.
King Ernie.
Él no sabe ni lo que se va a poner, ya sabe.
There's blue. Getting fixed up, getting lowered. It's going to be slam. Vamos a estar pegaditos al piso, pocholo, y ley. Nada más que baja el primer contenazo. No creo. Yo sé cómo sacarlo ahí, eso es fácil.
El primer rasponazo. Acuérdense lo que tú dices. El primer rasponazo lo vas a coger ahí mismo. Saliendo de aquí ya, nada más que lo vas a que va a hacer. Y él va a decir, ay. Él va a decir, ay. No.
There you go. Solid. Sólido.
Vaya nada.
Bueno,
Mira que viene por ahí. Ah,
lo nuevo.
¿Cómo fue? Sato. No, Sato. Estaba nervioso ahí con el cortecito.
Vamos, mira la diferencia de esto. Mira lo grande que son estos comparado con eso.
¿Eso es lo que te estaba diciendo?
Eso va a estar en el piso. Oye, esto está bueno.
No se puso malo. Oye, rompo el piso.
Nos piramos hoy.
Mira.
¿Cómo? Págata. Pues Pocholo es un loco, Pocholo le mete donde
Ahora
sea.
aquí un frío, un hambre, un sueño que tengo.
Pocholo, ¿a qué hora te acostaste a dormir?
Papi, a las 2 de la mañana.
A las 2 de la mañana y no se despertó a las 5.
5:30.
It's pretty nice, eh.
Y no me digas nada. Solo.
Yeah, that was really quick. All right, friends, almost done. About an hour. This guy is a beast.
Quick question.
Yes.
For the rear, EIBACH.
He's bugging me about the car is gonna be so low that I'm gonna be scraping all over.
Dude, just well, you'll see.
Oh shit.
This side is almost done. The rears usually only take about 30 to 45 minutes.
Yeah, they're faster.
Yeah, way faster.
Quicker?
You'll see as we do it.
All right, guys, moment 2. Oh, mira, eso lo bajé de esa.
Alright, bro, over the truth.
Oh. Míralo ahí. Mira, todavía sigue bajando. Oh shit. Oh shit.
What you think?
That's really nice. That looks really good.
It's gonna drop. Let me see. It's probably gonna drop about half of that.
Alright.
Probably about like right
Yeah.
there. So you should actually be perfect. to
Yeah,
fit
that's-
it. And
that's
I wouldn't-
really
I
good.
wouldn't do a spacer because then you'll probably rub.
Mm.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
pretty good. No, bajito, papi. Mira eso. Señala ahí,
Te veo contento, Ay, ¿cómo se ve eso? Ay. Tengo que buscar la otra hora para que tú veas. Ah, la potencia. Empieza el view. Maya, nada que te gusta. La haces esto mismo. Haces esto para. Tipo poner papel.
Oh, le pone el papel. I know. How we doing that? Alright, that one's in. ¿Qué momento lo puse, Pocholo?
Ah, pues yo sé, yo estaba hablando ahí. Y cuando vine para acá, ese tipo de puesto. Vamos,
Tipo,
es rápido, me.
tipo es la bestia.
Papi, solo cojo y me meto 3 días para ponerlo. A ver.
my man got the suspension done in 2 hours.
There we go.
Record. Done, guys. Almost done. Yeah, boy, cholo le dijo Manolo. Alright, guys, pretty low.
You won't see it on this one just yet. Not till I lower the other side.
Alright. Little oil drop. Alright, here it comes. Sheesh! Oh, damn. Damn.
What do you think, bro?
It's really low.
Yeah, bro.
What do you think?
That's good, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's gonna go just a little bit more in the rear, and then about half more, maybe. Actually, bro. Maybe about a quarter more in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks really, really low. Uh-huh. Alright, guys. It's done. Now, we have to learn how to drive.
Yeah, I want to see this. What do you think?
That's nice.
Yeah, bro, I think it looks good. That bro looks good. See it get out the driveway now.
There you go, my friend.
Bro, it looks clean.
Let me see it.
Yeah, bro, see it.
Yeah.
See it from an outside perspective.
Yeah, that is really low. Yeah, that looks really good. Looks really good. All right, man.
All right, man, you have a good one.
I'll
right?
see you.
Stay safe. Have a good drive.
Thank you. You too.
Anytime, dude.
The springs are really nice. They feel really nice, really comfortable. We literally just installed them and they feel amazing. They're really good. I don't know, I'm gonna drive it for a little while and then I'm gonna give you guys a review on them, see how they feel. But for now, they're amazing. Really worth it. EIBACH Sportline lowering springs. It looks perfect. So it's actually the right fit, perfect fit. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures, but it looks really, really good. Shout out to Brandonchin, Venom Performance. Did an amazing job on the install. Great guy. If you guys need anything, you already know where to find him. Brandonchin or Venom Performance on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link on the description in case you guys want to contact him. Amazing guy. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I've been driving for about 2 hours now, and I gotta say the drive quality is amazing. These springs are really, really good. I would recommend them for anyone who wants to lower the car and wants a nice ride quality. Yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.